the TabStar for Innovation Award. The second runner-up first goes to Rakesh Kumar of Karaikal Iyengars.
Okay.
Congratulations to him. The first runner-up is Rajan Mehta of FEC Energy Consulting Private Limited. Congratulations. And the winner, any guesses? Okay, let me not keep the suspense anymore. It is Shanmuganandam Veeraswamy of Touch Solar Technologies. Hearty congratulations to you too. So I think, I've already explained earlier, and I'm sure Ravi will probably get into a little bit more detail if he wants. The criteria for us, as I said, for innovation awards were, if you saw anything in the area of productivity improvement, getting a competitive advantage, new product or technology introduction, any significant process improvement, or even for that matter, making a social difference. I mean, these were some of the factors we kept in mind while rating the participants. So once again, hearty congratulations. Well done. I think all of you guys have done an exceptional job for the year, and wish you all the best for the coming year. Thank you so much.
Okay, so before we move on, let me just give you the specific reasons or justification behind these presentations, these awards. Second runner-up, Karaikal Iyengar Rakesh Kumar, for their proactive process improvements and investments made for product development. This was the one reason why we selected them. The first runner-up, FEC Energy. They won the Maharashtra Startup Innovation Society Award among 1,500 startups in the country. And they won the category of smart infra. So I think they've done us proud, and they have implemented, and one of the main things they have done is they have implemented Internet of Things based power quality automated testing during this period. Congratulations, Rajan and Karthik. And finally, the winner, Touch Solar, Shanmuganandam. He and his team did a massive reorientation of the business. They actually shut down their solar panel business and went into the lithium battery business. He not only stabilized the business, he also increased the revenues and had a good selling year. So they developed the first wall-mounted smart power backup system in India with built-in lithium-ion battery for domestic and commercial segment, and also signed an exclusive sales partner agreement with one of the large power companies in India for the same product. Congratulations, all three of you. Well done.